Today, the saga continues as we celebrate not just the commencement of your commitment to Mapua MCL Senior High School community, but also the spirit of collaboration that binds our student council, strand organization, and different clubs to increase the notch we have already started.
Sa gitna ng bagyo,
leadership is not a solo act. It is not a one-man job. It thrives on the diverse perspectives and ideas of a team, of the student head. Working alongside my fellow council members taught me that every voice matters, and together we can achieve greater heights.
at sa paghamon mo,
In the end, we only regret the chances that we didn't take. This is definitely a chance that I do not regret taking, and a chance that I would not let the student body regret taking. Thank you for this incredible opportunity. Here's to another year of growth, collaboration, and remarkable achievements. Together, we will shape not only our school, but also ourselves into leaders who inspire change. Thank you so much.